Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are good. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to block full screen ads on your Android phone. Friends, to block full screen ad on Android phones, you have to follow a couple of steps, my friends. Friends, for this, simply you have to go to the settings of your iPhone. After that, you have to go on apps. Friends, which brand's mobile you're using, it doesn't matter, but you have to come on apps. From where you are install and uninstall the apps, my friends. And see, there's a lots of app which has been installed on your phone, right? Maybe you will delete or uninstall the recent apps which has been installed from the Play Store. But still, you are facing that type of problem. So my friends, how you can solve it? Friends, for this simply, you have to scroll down the top bar and you have to turn on dark mode from here. After that, again, you have to go to the settings of your mobile. So go to the settings. Then you have to go on the apps again. After that, look clearly, you will see every app there is a name, but only one app you will not find any name at the top. That is 57.20 megabyte. This one, right? There is no name, my friends. This one. Because of this app, you are facing full screen ads on your phone. Friends, if you install lots of ad blocker from Play Store, you can't block this type of ad on your mobile. If you want to block it, simply you have to uninstall from your mobile. Just tap on here, then tap on uninstall. After that, you have to click on OK. Here, my friends. Like this, you will be able to remove full screen ads on your Android phone. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe to my YouTube channel. And hope so you'll be able to remove full screen ads on your phone. Maybe I'll come in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.